So here I am, I'm just walking through the Montana megaliths. It's all new to me. It was like my first day or second day out there, and I came across this face. Look at this. It's absolutely unbelievable and cannot be mistaken for anything other than an ancient carving of a face. Somebody took an existing rock, turned it into this face. They probably painted it, they probably put some little jewels or agates for the eyes, and maybe even made a little memorial, like a little grave at the bottom here. Like maybe the bones were underneath the chin. We don't know. But anyway, this is what my opinion is. I saw this and I took this photo, and here we are. I'm editing it now. Look at this, my friends. Like, is this... Now on his hat here, this appears to be some sort of a hat this person's wearing. And at first I thought it was their hair, but look here at the front of the hat. There's a circular, almost a perfect circle right here. Like, let me draw this in real quick here. We're going to draw this in together. So here's my got a little art pen here. I'm just drawing in the circle. The circle's already here. Look at this. You guys see this? Now what is I don't know, but there does seem to be something here and here and here and here and here and here. Look at this. I'm not sure what this symbol is. Kind of looks like tree roots. But this was inside of this circle right here. Pretty interesting, right? Did the past peoples come in here and paint these eyes like this? Or something similar? You know, like maybe I don't have it perfect, but maybe I'm close. Maybe I'm a nutter. What do you think?